My son.
Did I say cars here?
No, Mama, in the shopping mall. Let's go.
Cars?
Yes, in the shopping mall.
Cars, they are
Let's
full.
go. This is where we're going.
Yeah, this place is fine, you know.
Yes.
This place is so shiny. Look at that.
Welcome, sir.
I'm going to shop. So you mean I will shop everything here? Shop the whole shopping today.
Sir, please. Here's your nose mask.
Why are you talking to me? Are you my husband? My husband has married me over 50 years. You have not even touched me like this. If I hire this boy, if I give this slap.
Sorry, Ma, it's
Nose mask.
Ma, it's the rules here. They say no nose mask, no entry.
Is there a here?
Yes, ma.
No nose mask, no entry. See his big head. Let me just wear my nose mask to respect my son. Because I am going for shopping. And I will shop the whole of this place. No nose mask, no entry. It's like gorilla.
Thank you.
Good job. Gorilla says, oh shit, because you don't have money for shopping. My son has money. The son has money for you. Look at him. Shop like water Guinness.
You wasted too much time now.
Don't mind that monkey. He said he's something in that place. It's not for that. I will deal with that. My son, I'm going to shop everything. Even everything in this place, I'll shop it.
Everything.
My son, when you were small, I used to give you this one. You see it? When you were small, I give you this one. Wow! This place is fine. So you mean all these things I can shop it? I'll carry all to the village. Where is this legado of it? Monkey, come here. Look at this head. Come here, my friend. Come here. Don't you know my son has given me all the money to shop? Carry this thing with me. Look at his head. He don't even have one. Follow me. Why are you looking back? I said follow me. I will sack you for this place now. Don't you know my son is a rich boy? You know what I'm going to the place? Don't do something in mama. I will give them this one. Follow me. This one is short. This one is short. I will give it to the mama community. Mama Nkechi just put to bed. I will give Mama Nkechi this one. I think my son. If somebody put to bed, you will give the person a nunu. To tell that is the milk. To give the my mouth is doing me as if I want to eat something. Let me go and eat. I'm coming. All these things. My mouth is doing like I should chop something. Should I chop something? Let me look for something to chop now so that we need something. I'm not kidding you. My son said I should eat this thing. Let me stand the name of that. What's the name of this one? Wafa. I think it. But I come back. It is me that don't go to school. My son went to school before you were born. You cannot tell me that this thing is so like that. I cannot waste my son money.
Why you do this now? Don't worry. I know.
It's money you're wasting.
No, don't worry. It's not wasting. It's not wasting.
I know.
Okay, pick something else. Leave it. Pick something.
Let me tell you what. Right.
Check something else.
But something is going to.
Don't worry.
I cannot use that time to know. Don't want it, I'm coming back for it. Okay. Let me forget to where I stop.
I beg me to now go buy sugar market now. Since morning I never talk anything.
Hey! Wow!